Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum viewers. My name is Professor Dr. Rizwan Jamil Qureshi. Welcome to the new lecture of Web Engineering. JavaScript, loop structure, JavaScript function programming, JavaScript event handling are the main topics of today's lecture. Syntax to begin with JavaScript, script language is equal to JavaScript, and we close the script tag. You can use HTML to develop dynamic web pages, or you can use ASP, or you can use ASP.NET. I'm using HTML to develop dynamic web pages using JavaScript. The first exercise is to develop a program to display numbers from 1 to 7. Loop JavaScript.html, HTML script language is equal to JavaScript, variable counter is equal to 1, var is the keyword to declare variables, while loop counter less than equals 7, the curly bracket, document dot write line, h1 the header, counting and the string, the counter concatenation variable and the string, and counter is equal to counter plus 1, close the curly bracket, close the script, close the HTML tag. Counting is equal to 1, counting is equal to 2, counting is equal to 3 up to 7. For loop, initialization, condition, increment, statement, and condition is put at the top. We want to add values from 1 to 10 using the for loop. Script language is equal to JavaScript, var counter sum is equal to 0, for counter is equal to 1, counter less than equal to 10, counter is equal to counter plus 1, the increment sum is equal to sum plus counter. We assign the value to the sum variable. Document dot write line, the sum equal the sum variable. We close the script, we close the HTML, and that is the execution of loop JavaScript for.html, the sum equal 55. Another example using the for statement, a person invests $1,000 in a saving account yielding 5% interest. Assume that all interest is left on deposit. Calculate and print the amount of money in the account at the end of each year for 10 years from 1 to 10 using the formula A is equal to P 1 plus R power N. P is equal to original amount, N is equal to number of years, R is the interest rate. Script language is equal to JavaScript, var variable amount, principal is equal to 1000, rate is equal to 5%. For loop, variable year is equal to 1, year less than equal to 10, year is equal to year plus 1. We start the for loop with the curly bracket, amount is equal to principal multiply by math dot power 1 plus rate comma year, document dot write line, the year plus math dot round, math amount multiply by 100 divided by 100. We close the script. This is the execution of investment for.html. First year is equal to 1050, second year 1102.5 till 10 years 1628.89. Break and continue statements. The break statement, when executed in the loop, it causes an immediate exit from the loop at that point of the structure. A program which is used to print values between 1 and 10 and exit at a certain point from the loop using a break statement. Break for.html, variable count, for count is equal to 0, count less than equal to 10, count is equal to count plus 1, the increment. If count equal 5, break loop only if count equal 5. Document dot write line, the count is the variable count. Document dot write line broke out of the loop at count, the count, that is the execution. The counter is 0 to 4 and break out of the loop. Continue. The continue statement, when executed in the loop structure, it skips the remaining statement in the body of that structure and proceeds with the next repetition of the loop. For example, a program which is used to print values between 1 and 10 and continue from certain point. Script language is equal to JavaScript, variable count, for count is equal to 0, count less than equal to 10, count is equal to count plus 1. If count equal 5, continue. Document dot write line, the count is the string and the variable count, and we close the script. It continue even if count is equal to 5. The logical operators and, or, not, script language is equal to JavaScript, variable grade, age, grade is equal to window.prompt, enter grade, age is equal to window.prompt, enter age. If grade greater than equal 60 and age greater than equal 20, document.writeLine, the grade is okay and age is also okay. Else, if grade less than 60 or age less than 20, document.writeLine, the grade is not good and you are under age. We close the script, we close the HTML. Enter grade, for example, I enter 95. Enter age, for example, I enter 25. The grade is okay and age is also okay. Enter grade 55, age 15. The grade is not okay and you are under age. Scare function of JavaScript. Script language is equal to JavaScript. For loop variable y is equal to 0, y less than equal 5, y is equal to y plus 1. Document.writeLine, the scare of y, the scare function, and the function scare y, return y scare. We close the function, we close the script, we close the HTML. Scare of 0 is 0, scare of 1 is 1, and 2 is 4, 3 is 9, 4 is 16, 5 is 25. Using JavaScript to find maximum number among three numbers. Another exercise, maximum function.html. Script language is equal to JavaScript. var variable, the keyword to declare variables. Value 1, value 2, value 3. Value 1 is equal to window.prompt, enter first number. Value 2, window.prompt, enter second number. Value 3 equal window.prompt, enter third number. Document.writeLine, the maximum of three number is the maximum function. The value 1, value 2, value 3. Function maximum, num1, num2, num3. Variable max, max is equal to num1. If num2 greater than max, max is equal to num2. If num3 greater than max, max is equal to num3. Return max. We close the script, we close the HTML. Enter first number 32, enter second number 35, enter third number 45. The maximum of three number is 45. Event function or procedures using JavaScript. Event procedures are those procedures which respond, which triggers to some event, such as pressing a button or clicking a mouse. The advantage of event-driven programming, the user dictates the order of execution, not the program. Browser waits for the user to perform some action, and this type of state is called event monitoring state or event listening state. For example, using JavaScript to add two numbers using a click event. Addition event.html. Script language is equal to JavaScript. Function add. var variable num1, num2, sum. Num1 is equal to parseInt to process into integer. A is the form name dot num1 text txt dot value. Num2 is equal to parseInt a dot num2 text txt dot value. Sum is equal to num1 plus num2. Document dot writeLine to declare a statement. The sum of two number is the variable sum, and we close the script. Body form name is equal to a, enter first number. Input type is equal to text. ID is equal to text1, name is equal to num1 txt. Break, enter second number. Input type is equal to txt text. ID is equal to text2, name is equal to num2 txt. Input ID is equal to button, name is equal to button, type is equal to button, value is equal to compute. On click is equal to add function. We close the form, we close the body, we close the HTML. Enter first number 35, enter second number 36. Click the compute button. The sum of two number is 61. Event function using JavaScript. Calculate sum of two numbers using click event of JavaScript. Interface of the page should be designed using the JavaScript without using the HTML form. Addition event.html. Script language is equal to JavaScript. Function add. var variable num1, num2 sum. Num1 is equal to parseInt num1 txt dot value. Num2 parseInt to process string into integer. ParseInt num2 txt dot value. Sum is equal to num1 plus num2. Document dot writeLine. The sum of two number is the variable sum. Document dot writeLine. Input type is equal to button. Value is equal to back. On click is equal to history dot back. Document dot writeLine. Enter first number. Input type is equal to text. ID is equal to text1. Name is equal to num1 txt. The break. Document dot writeLine. Enter the second number. Input type is equal to text. ID is equal to text2, name is equal to num2 txt, document dot write line, input type is equal to button, value is equal to compute, on click is equal to add. We close the script, we close the HTML. Event handling is not supported by Chrome, not supported by Mozilla Firefox, it is supported by Internet Explorer. So enter first number 8, enter second number 9, calculate the sum of two numbers is 17. We can click the back button to go back to the previous state. JavaScript event handling, second example, calculate sum and subtraction of two numbers based on user choice using the JavaScript event function. Script language is equal to JavaScript, function add var num1 num2 sum. Num1 is equal to parse int num1 txt dot value, num2 is equal to parse int num2 txt dot value, sum is equal to num1 plus num2, document dot write line, the sum of two numbers is sum, in document dot write line, input type is equal to button, value is equal to back, on click is equal to history dot back. Function subtraction, var num1 num2 sum, num1 is equal to parse int num1 txt dot value, num2 is equal to parse int num2 txt dot value, subtraction is equal to num1 minus num2, document dot write line, the subtraction of two number is the variable subtraction, document dot write line, input type is equal to button, value is equal to back, on click is equal to history dot back. Document dot write line, enter first number, input type is equal to text, name is equal to num1 txt, break, document dot write line, enter second number, input type is equal to text, name is equal to num2 txt, document dot write line, input type is equal to button, value is equal to calculate sum, on click is equal to add function, document dot write line, input type is equal to button, value is equal to calculate subtraction, on click is equal to subtraction function. We close the script, we close the HTML. Enter first number 9, enter second number 6. Now user has a choice to calculate sum or calculate subtraction. For example, sum of two numbers is sum. We press the back button. The subtraction of two numbers is 3. Thank you very much. Jazakallah khair. May Allah bless you. Assalamu alaikum. Have a nice day.